Unlocked Android phone, Pova 5 Pro Android 13 cell phone. 5G phone, 8GB to 56GB. 24MP plus 50MP camera. 5000 mAh large battery. Unique appearance design, fingerprint face unlock dual SIM capability. Brand Fuxenia. Operating system Android 13.0. Memory storage capacity to 156GB. Model name Pova 5 Pro. Wireless carrier unlocked for all carriers. Cellular technology 5G. Connector type USB Type-C. Form factor bar. Year 2025. 5G dual SIM. Phone, Pova 5 Pro supports 5G for G, 3G to G. Cellular networks with a wider range of bands. Unlocked for all carriers. Experience boundless endurance. The Pova 5 Pro Android 13. Equipped with an extraordinary 6,800 mAh battery. This is not just a smartphone, it's an experience of limitless power. The AI battery management system is meticulous, ingeniously preserving power, providing you with a longer-lasting companion and confidence. Unrestricted vision, a brand new 6.82-inch high-definition, full screen with a screen to body, ratio of up to 95%, capturing intricate details. Each frame is vivid, immersing you in a lifelike experience. Peak imaging and outstanding. 50MP. Rear camera paired with a 2MP macro lens. Captures the beauty of the smallest details. The 24MP front camera with built-in portrait. Enhancement ensures confidence in every selfie or video call. Safety first. Hassle-free convenience. The Pova 5 Pro unlocked phone brings facial recognition and fingerprint unlocking, elevating identity verification to new heights. Forget about cumbersome passwords. Safety seamlessly merges with convenience. Robust performance. Limitless space. With an 8-core processor and 256GB of storage space, you can indulge without limits. Whether in performance or storage, the Pova 5 Pro satisfies all your needs. In the box, 1X Pova 5 Pro smartphone, 1X phone case, 1X phone protective film, 1X power adapter, 1X USB-C to 0.0 charging cable, 1X earphones, 1X SIM ejector pin, 1X user manual,